students, my name is Swagata Rai Chaudhary and I am the botany faculty at the Pathfinder Institute. Today the question that I will be discussing has been there in NEET 2021 botany section, right? Can you please see the question that's flashing on the computer screen? Ammensalism can be represented as four options have been given. Ammensalism. So let me explain this term first to you guys. Ammensalism means a kind of interaction where one organism is negatively affected and the other organism is unharmed, unaffected. So I'm writing one organism, let's say A, let's say A is negatively affected or harmed. Another organism, let's say B is unaffected. To explain this particular condition, I'll tell one example and that goes as in, suppose this is a LB agar plate, nutrient media as we all know, LB agar plate. In this LB agar plate, I'm thinking of growing Staphylococcus aureus. Staphylococcus aureus. This is a bacteria as you all know. So this bacteria utilizes the food that's there in the LB agar plate and continues to grow. After a certain period of time, when the Staphylococcus aureus has completely grown in the media, we will find that at times there is a fungus that infects the same plate and you will find holes or punctures in the LB agar plate like this. Simple punctures, you know, simple punctures in the plate. Alright. Now these punctures are results of fungus eating away some of the portions of the bacterial colony or the bacterial lawn. And why does that happen? Because the fungus Penicillium notatum, very important, Penicillium notatum, when infects the LB agar plate where Staphylococcus aureus was growing, it releases a secondary metabolite called penicillin. This penicillin is nothing but an antibiotic. And we all know that antibiotic kills bacteria. So penicillin kills Staphylococcus aureus. So this becomes minus because it is dead and there is no effect on penicillin. You guys will argue that why ma'am, why there is no effect on penicillin, penicillium is getting benefited. No, because penicillium does not even have the slightest idea that it has to kill Staphylococcus aureus. By mistake or without the knowledge of the fungus, penicillium, this penicillin compound is releasing. So penicillium does not take a decision and then release penicillin. It is a by default secondary metabolite of penicillium. So because of this reason, Penicillium notatum, the fungus, is not benefited. By mistake, the bacteria gets killed. So this becomes 0. So a particular kind of interaction where one organism is harmed or negatively impacted and the other organism is unharmed, in this case Penicillium notatum, this kind of interaction is termed as ammensalism. Go for the options now. The best suited option is this one. Thank you very much.